Welcome to Mbuya Parent School and Kindergarten, situated in Kampala City with modern, well-equipped facilities plus extensive playing fields and amenities. Mbuya Parent School believes that a better future lies where children know how to find and create balances in themselves and the world around them. This explains our fusion of academic subjects and co-curricular activities. There are many opportunities presented to them to flourish both in and outside the classroom.
I want to become a president when I grow up.
I want to be a pilot.
I will be the best fashion designer.
Mbuya Parent School, the sky is our limit.
I greet you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. My name is Kakai Pauline, a primary 4 teacher. I'm going to take you through an English lesson, and this is going to be our lesson 1. Today, our topic is giving direction. Under this topic, we shall be looking at directing people to different places, and we shall see a number of vocabulary that we use when we are directing people to different places. My lovely children, at the end of this lesson, I expect you to read, pronounce, spell the words correctly, and then use the learned words or the given words to construct oral and written sentences. So, lovely children, it may be very difficult for you and me or a friend of ours outside there to get to a new place that you have never been before. Therefore, when we are directing our friends, including ourselves, we can use a number of words like junction. Junction. We can use words such as this to direct our friends or including ourselves to get to a new place. Another word we may use is, I expect you to observe the word properly. The word is near. 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 Good. Apart from this, we also have a word like right-hand side. Right-hand side. We can use this kind of words to direct our friends to places that they have never been before. Another word we can use is left-hand side. Left-hand side. The opposite of right-hand side is left-hand side. And the opposite of left-hand side is right-hand side. Good. Which word is this, my children? Thank you. The word is far. Far. Spell the word far. Somebody to help me. Good. F-A-R. The word is far. Another word we can use is after. After. We can use such words to direct our friends, including ourselves, to places we have never been before. And another one we can use is before. Before. The word is before. Another word we may use is across. Across. Somebody to spell the word across. Somebody to try. Thank you. Across is A-C-R-O-S-S. The word is across. Another word we can use is in front of. In front of. In front of. Good. Another word we can use is opposite to. Opposite to. Opposite to. Another word we can use is behind. Behind. Somebody to spell the word behind. Good. It is B-E-H-I-N-D. The word is behind. Good children. We can also use words like next to. Next to direct our friends. These are two separate words. Next and then to. We can also use words like between. Between. Somebody to spell the word between. Good boy. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Good. Another word is, look at this word. The word is corner. 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 Good. We can use words like this to direct our friends to places we have never been before. The word corner, there is R in between the O and the N. So don't omit the R. It is O, I mean C-O-R-N-E-R. Having looked at a number of words that we can use when we are directing people to places they have never been before, I want you to look at these words, observe them clearly with your friend, because I would expect you, as I said at the beginning, that you'll be able to read, pronounce the words correctly, and use them in constructing oral and written sentences. So I will sound the word, and you repeat after me. Junction, junction, junction. Good. Near, near, near. Right hand side, right hand side. The word right hand side is written with 3 words. The first word is right, the second is hand, and the last one is side. Don't write as one word. Left hand side, left hand side. Far, far. After, after. Before, before. Across, across. Good. Somebody to try this? Good. In front of, in front of. Opposite to, opposite to. Good children. Behind, behind. Good. You? Can you read this for us? Next to, next to. Good children. Between, between. And lastly, corner. Somebody spell the word corner? Yes, baby? C-O-R-N-E-R. So we can use a number of these words to direct ourselves or even our friends to places they have never been before. We are going to see this map of ours here. I believe we have friends here. You are going to see their names. They used this map, as indicated here, to reach to places they have never been before. So they're saying, study the map below and answer the questions about it correctly. We are having, this is a road. This is a road. Another road is here. This is a roundabout. This is another road. On this road, there are a number of buildings. There are a number of buildings with their names, as we are going to see. We have here this home, somebody's home here. This is Adam's home. Next to Adam's home, we have Maria's home. When we come down here, this is now opposite to. We are seeing Maria's home opposite to Safina's house. Maria's home is opposite to Safina's house, and Adam's house is next to Maria's home. We looked at these words, opposite to, and then next to. So Adam's home is next to Maria's home, and then Maria's home is opposite to Safina's house. We come and look at another building here. Which building is this? The mosque. This building is a mosque. When you try to look at the mosque and then the hospital, are they near each other? Is the mosque and the hospital near each other? Thank you. They are not near each other. So the mosque is far from the hospital. The mosque is far from the hospital. Then which building is next to the mosque or is near the mosque? So we have the post office being near the mosque. The post office is near the mosque. Now when you look at this road here, the road is Pong Pong Road of a certain village. The road is Pong Pong Road. Now if I wanted it to move, travel from here, I believe this is Adam's home. This is Adam's home. And I want to go somewhere and buy things. I don't know. I want to locate myself or somebody to help me to get to the market. How many buildings am I going to pass by? From here, I'll pass via Maria's home, come here in the roundabout. I continue, I reach the school, the church, the petrol station, and lastly, I will have reached the market. So the distance from here, I began my journey from here. A friend directed me where the village market is. This is the village market. And it took me 3 kilometers to reach the market. We also want to see which building is opposite the school. Somebody to tell us? Is it the design center which is opposite the school? Is it the hospital which is opposite the school? Somebody to help us? It is the shops. The shops are opposite the school. The shops are opposite the school. So we can see how we can use certain features to direct our friends to get to places they have never been before. So we want to look at oral questions. We shall answer these questions together. You and me, we shall be guiding each other to answer these questions. Having looked at the map, we are seeing the map. We had homes, we had Adam, we have Safina, and many others. So question 1 says, whose house is opposite Maria's? Whose house is opposite Maria's? Let us try. Is this Maria? Is this Maria's house? Is it this one? Thank you. So Maria's house is somewhere here. Now, which house is opposite Maria's? Somebody to help us? Thank you, my children. Safina's house is opposite Maria's. Safina's house is opposite Maria's. We want to look at another question. It says, on which road is the market? We saw our map properly. On which road is the market? On which road is the market? Now, this is the road we have. Which road is this? Is it Kampala Road? No, thank you. It is Pong Pong Road. Repeat after me. Pong Pong. Pong Pong. Pong Pong Road. So the question says, on which road is the market? Where do you think the market is? The market is on Pong Pong Road. The market is on Pong Pong Road. Good children. So another question is, how far is the market from Adam's home? How far is the market from Adam's home? We also want to look at the map and we see the distance. How far is the market from Adam's home? Adam's home is somewhere here, and the market is somewhere there. Now, how far is the market from Adam's home? Somebody with an idea? Thank you. The market is 3 kilometers far from Adam's home. The market is 3 kilometers far from Adam's home. And when we are writing kilometers, when we are writing kilometers, when we are writing 3, not kilometers, when we are writing 3 should not be in figures. We write 3 in words. I have an or activity for you. We shall help each other or guide each other to do this activity. So, our question 1 says, whose house is opposite Maria's? Whose house is opposite Maria's? Let us try to see the houses on the map. We have Adam's home, we have Maria's home, we have Safina's home, and very many other buildings you can see on our map. But the question is, whose house is opposite Maria's? Maria's house is here. As you are seeing the buildings and the homes on the map, which house do you think is opposite Maria's? Someone to help us? Thank you. So Safina's house is opposite Maria's. Safina's house is opposite Maria's. It is this house which is opposite. Question 2 says, on which road is the market? On which road is the market? Let us try to see the roads on our map. On which road is the market? This road here we are seeing, this is Pong Pong Road. There is another road here. This is Mbiro Road. And there is another road here which is Talanta Road. So we have 3 roads here, Pong Pong, Mbiro Road, and then Talanta Road. But our question says, on which road is the market? On which road is the market? Do you think the road is on Talanta Road or on Mbiro Road? Somebody to help us? Thank you. The market is on Pongo Pongo Road. Is it true? Let's try to see. This is Pongo Pongo, and the market is here on Pongo Pongo Road. Let us look at question 3. Question 3 says, how far is the market from Adam's home? How far is the market from Adam's home? Still, we shall use our map. We shall use our map to find out the distance from Adam's home to the market. We have Adam's home is here. We are moving on Pong Road, and here is our market. So let's first see. From here, this person moved like here, moved like this, reached somewhere here in the roundabout. This is 2 kilometers. This person hasn't reached the market yet. He continued and continued and continued and continued and reached here. This is where the market is found. So the distance from Adam's home on Pong Pong to the market is 3 kilometers. The distance from Adam's home to the market is 3 kilometers. Let us look on our last number. Number 4, our last number. Our last number says, on which road is the market located? On which road is the market located? Still, we are going to use our map. We have seen Pong Pong Road, we have seen Mbiro Road, and Talanta Road. Dear children, do you think the market is located on Mbiro Road? Yes? Okay. Do you think the market is located on Talanta Road? Thank you. The market is located on Pong Pong Road. We agree with each other. The market is located on Pong Pong Road. Now I don't want to spoon feed you. As you sit with your friend, you are going to pair up with your friend. Make pairs, sit with your friend, or your dad, or your mom. You also answer the remaining questions for me. Next time we meet, we shall mark each other. Pair up with a friend, don't do it alone. Sit, pair up with the friend, And then you answer these questions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next time we meet, we shall mark ourselves and do corrections together. Remember, my lovely children, stay home, stay safe. We still need you. Your parents still needs you. We need you alive. Listen to the president's advice and even your elders. Stay home, stay safe. The Almighty God is in control. See you soon again. I love you. I remain yours, Teacher Kakai Pauline. God bless you.